Yo man, what's going on people? King Richez. Today I'm going to react to FITXFEARLESS, and he's outside in the field approaching girls. He's a guy out here giving other guys advice, telling them how they're messing up. There's a lot of these guys on the internet, they'll come out like they know everything about girls, everything about women, but you don't never see them with girls. You never see them talking to any women. Now someone like me, who I've shown you examples of me talking to different types of women, young, old, black, white, in Infield, on my own podcast show, etc, etc. I'm quite skeptical when I come across these guys on YouTube. I think they talk a lot of crap. But anyway, FITXFEARLESS, he's done a video where he's showing his talents out there talking to women, and in this video he's basically teaching you guys, not me, he's teaching you guys how to keep a conversation going. So let's see how he does.
Well, you say you're working here, right?
Yeah.
How long you been doing this?
I've been doing this since August of 2020.
Okay, so what made you get into the jewelry selling business?
So I actually used to live in New York, and I had a corporate job, and in Manhattan there's like a lot of like up and coming designers, and I was always in the fashion industry.
This guy FITXFEARLESS is on the shorter side. I think he's like 5'7", 5'8", 5'9", one of them. And obviously he's a guy that goes to the gym, so he's got a bit of muscle in him. He's decided to come out in a leather shirt. It looks like it's a leather short sleeve shirt, and he's wearing very, very tight jeans. Personally, that's not something I would ever put on, but you know, to each his own.
I interned for Versace, so I would always just be curious, and I would be like, okay, how are people doing this? Because there would be a lot of street fairs in New York. There's like a lot of them, and I finally went up to someone and I'm like, how are you here? Like, what did you do to be here? And she's like, all you have to do is get your street vendor license and then find vendors and you can resell. And I looked into it, and that's how I did it.
What made you move from New York to here though?
The weather, I love the weather.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how long you been in Miami?
I've been here since 2017.
Okay. And you prefer it more than New York?
I love the weather here. I love New York. When it comes to business, New York is like somewhere where you're going to grow faster. But I really just love the weather. I'm all about the weather and like work-life balance. And I feel like Miami, you can have so much fun. So yeah, but I think eventually I might have to move back just because business is faster in New York.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm somebody new here. I'm just trying to figure out what to do for fun. Like what since you've been here so long, what do you usually do for fun?
Well, what do you like to do for fun?
I'm more of the adventure type, right? I like to do just fun activities. Stuff that involves me being physical.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, I don't know, I'm so boring. Like, I like to go to the beach. I would say, I don't even know. I know when I first moved here, I joined like the app. Like, I went on.
This conversation is boring, bruv. I'm not even trying to hate on this guy, yeah, but this conversation is boring. As I've said already, you lot have seen me on video outside talking to random strange women, bro, like strange girls and that, and like my conversations don't sound like that. When I talk to these women, they know that I'm interested in them, I find them attractive. You get what I'm saying? And boom, like that's it really. Like I don't go into no long talk about where you come from, where you go, where you coming from, Cotton Eye Joe. Nah, my conversations ain't like that, fam. Really and truly, a conversation like this, you're gonna friend zone yourself.
Bumble for like Bumble BFF, and I met a whole bunch of people there, and then we just like do different things. But I mean, I feel like Miami, you can be like all kinds of like active. I'm just really bored. I literally just like go into my pool. I have my pool in my building, but I go to the beach a lot.
Okay.
I used to bike ride, but then I realized Brickell is not like safe to bike ride because I was run over by a car once.
Oh wow.
And I was like, okay.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah. I think that this chick is probably very mid. Very, very, very mid. And therefore, it's going to be an easy target, an easy person to talk to, because she's probably not going to be, you know, quite arrogant or have a big ego and stuff like that. Bruh, like this doesn't really showcase nothing, really. He's just asking her a barrage of questions, some interrogation, and it's boring, bro. I understand that when you talk to women, more time, you're going to let them do most of the talking, yeah? But you want the conversation to be fun. You want to throw some jokes in there. You want it to be entertaining, bro. Like, this conversation is just dead.
Okay, it's not like the same, you know, it's not safe, but downtown has like the, what is it, like the Bayside Park and stuff.
Also, his arms are folded. That is a defensive body language. That shows that, you know, you're not trying to be open. You're not welcoming. It's actually a sign of protection. You're protecting yourself.
Okay.
You go to like the Muscle Beach and South Beach.
Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, I've been, but I don't want to just do that, obviously. Yeah.
I mean, if you want to go out at night, Like, what do you want to do things during the day or at night? Or?
More during the day. I'm not a club person.
Yeah. There used to be like the wharf, but the wharf is not around anymore. I would say like Wynwood maybe.
What clubs do you go to? Like, have you been to any clubs here that you could recommend?
Yeah, I mean, I like 11.
Obviously.
I like Space.
Okay.
What else? There's Marion. Have you been to Marion?
No.
Marion is like a dinner slash like club. So it's nice to go for dinner because there's like an event that they do.
Okay.
There's Barroom in South Beach that I really like. My favorite ones.
Bruh, he has not made one joke. He hasn't said any kind of indication that he fancies her. Like, this conversation is just boring and dead. And I'm sorry, bro. Like, for somebody who's a dating coach giving guys advice, telling them about what they should wear and how they should talk. And this guy even tells men that they need to grow their willies, bro. If you're going to come out here and you're going to make yourself out to be some dating guru, yeah, and you've got all the answers and you know what it takes to get bad bees, bro, like, you need to be doing better than this. I'm sorry, bro. Like, this is just an interrogation. You might as well be the feds, because this is not good. You're not building any attraction here. I've shown you lot examples of me out there talking to random women, bro. Like, yeah, and listen, just go watch the tapes. I had to fast forward because this conversation was just so boring.
What was your name again?
Kesley.
Kesley.
Yeah.
I'm Bismarck.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Well, I gotta get going. Thank you. My name is Bismarck.
That's how I know that girl was mid, because he didn't even try and get the Instagram or nothing. That's a pointless conversation leading to nowhere. I understand, you know, you're trying to show guys how to talk to women, but bro, like a dating coach guru, why are you going to go and approach women that are mid? Surely you would approach women that are bad bees. Like, what are we doing?
What's your name?
My name is Susie.
Susie? Where are you from?
Nice to meet you. Well, I'm from Utah. I'm just visiting.
Utah? What brought you to Miami?
Just visiting. I needed some time off, you know.
This girl has no curves. Is this guy just moving to the most basic chicks he can find, bro? Like, what is going on? When I do my approach videos, I don't look for the most basic women I can find to go and approach them so I can have a high success rate. Bro, no, I move to things that mans will want to move to.
I had lots of stress. So.
A lot of stress. So Miami's a place of de-stress?
Oh, yeah. 100%.
Oh, yeah? How long are you here for?
It was about 4 days, Mark.
Ah, you came by yourself?
Yes.
To Miami? That's crazy.
I did.
Oh, wow.
Like I said, I just needed some time to think.
My man came with the open waistcoat, like cotton waistcoat thing with the D&G belt and the short, bruh, like.
Okay. So what do you do?
For like a living?
Yeah.
I work at a pharmacy right now.
Okay.
I'm a pharmacy tech. So, yeah. I mean, that's not where I want to stay, but I don't know what I want to do, so I've been thinking about that a lot recently.
Where else have you been aside from Miami?
Let's see, Colorado, Las Vegas, Vermont, but I think that's about it.
You're a travel girl. Takes a lot of confidence to go to a new city.
Yeah, I mean,
That you
this is
don't
my
know.
first time in Miami.
Ah, you've been here with friends before or by yourself?
With friends.
Okay.
Usually it's my first time going out by myself, actually.
Okay. So what have you done?
This guy has not made any kind of like entertaining dialogue at all. Bro, tell her like even a little bit of a joke. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh yeah, you've got to be stoic. And look how this other guy, look how this other guy in the white t-shirt and red shorts, look how he's looking at him, bro. That is funny, bro.
That was exciting this time.
Well, like I said, I don't really have any crazy plans. I'm just trying to relax and think. So.
You relax and think from Utah? That's crazy.
I guarantee that this chick is not all that, bro. I'm just being real. Like, all I see is fried eggs and pancakes, yeah? Fried egg and pancake. She's probably excited that this guy is coming to talk to her. Like, she's probably mid, bro. Like, I'm just being real. And I'm not trying to hate on this guy, but this is what I think.
Just life, I guess, right? You have to get away from where you usually are. Change of scenery.
Is the ice cream good?
It's
That's helping you relax?
Yes, it is, actually.
That's dope. Okay. So what are you doing later today?
Nothing.
That was his only joke. That ice cream is helping you relax. That was his joke. Like, she laughed as well. I mean, I guess it worked. It landed, innit? She laughed, like, I guess.
I'm just probably gonna go out and eat somewhere.
By yourself?
Yeah,
That's a pretty boring life.
Supposed to do?
Wow.
Is it because I'm by myself, I'm not supposed to do anything?
No, I think you can have a good time. It's kind of lonely, don't you think?
It can get, yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know. I have a good time with myself, I guess. I make myself laugh. It's a little crazy, but I think I'm funny.
You okay?
So.
Okay.
That's how I know this girl's mid. She's going out places on her own, bruv. So you don't have no guys trying to take you out, or you ain't got no friends that you can go out with. You go places on your own. Like you're in Miami of all places, bro. Miami. And you go out on your own, bruv. Nah, man, this girl's mid, 100%.
I won't keep it too long. I gotta get going. But Susie, right?
Susie.
Okay, we should hang out.
I'm down.
Yeah?
Because I'm in town 4 more days. I've got a lot going on, so.
Okay. I'm gonna get your number.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes. You're gonna.
Yeah, well done. You got the number still. And you didn't talk to her for a million years like you talked to the other one. You don't need to talk to these girls for too long. If you're approaching them, yeah, you don't need to talk to them for that long, fam. Man be talking for way too long and that, bro. Like, nah. The girl already knows if she likes you or not, bro. Don't waste your time having some mad, like, autobiography conversation. And then at the end, she's going to tell you she's got a boyfriend, or she's only going to give you Instagram so you can be her fan.
Ladies, how you guys doing today?
We're good, how are you?
How are you?
I'm great. What's your name?
Steph.
And?
Rihanna.
Oh, these girls are from the UK. They're from, okay, let's see how this is going to go. Because we all know girls from where I live are notoriously difficult to talk to. But they are on holiday. So they may be up and open to talking to man. Let's see.
Okay. Where you guys from?
London.
London?
Yeah.
What brought you out to Miami?
Holiday.
Holiday, yeah.
Holiday?
Pre-holiday to the holiday, yeah.
How you guys liking it?
It's good. It's fun.
Yeah?
It's really fun.
What have y'all done so far?
Nothing.
Nothing. Y'all at the beach now. It's beautiful.
No, we've been at the beach. We've been eating all the food.
I went jet skiing
We went jet skiing and stuff like that.
How long you guys here for?
till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Only 3 days.
What?
It's a pre-holiday.
Yeah, we're going to.
So y'all flew like 8 hours away to spend 3
But we're
days.
going Miami. I mean, great.
We're
To
going
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
So how long are y'all on vacation for?
10
10
days.
days.
10 days. Okay. Where else y'all going aside from Jamaica?
That's it. You know, annual leave is only a certain amount.
Yeah.
You only got so many days up.
Okay.
These girls are being talkative, but this is literally because they're on holiday. FITXFEARLESS, I would challenge you to come to London and try to approach women and use your technique of like asking 100 questions. Like I don't think it will be very successful.
Gotta go back to work.
So I don't know much about London girls. Like, fill me in. What don't I know?
What do you want to know?
Tell me.
Best.
The best. What about London girls is different?
I'm not gonna lie, there's not that much.
There's
to
not
us.
much.
Have you guys experienced American guys?
You American guys are lit. I'm
Oh.
so sorry. From what we've experienced here,
I like the way that American guys are more forward.
Yeah,
like
London
guys are
American guys are like they're down to be obsessed with their babes.
Yeah.
London guys are always like, oh, like that's bare gay, bro. That's bare
That's
neaky.
bare
Like,
gay.
I'm
Like,
not
what's
doing that. I'm
that?
not gonna do that.
The UK guys are not simping, bruv. She said that the American guys are way more obsessed over their girl. I believe that man is meant to worship the Most High God. You're not meant to worship the woman you're with. Do you get what I'm saying? You shouldn't be obsessed by the woman you're with.
Both of y'all
American
single?
guys,
Yeah.
they'll be like, I love that girl. And I'm here for it.
How y'all experienced that quickly? That y'all ain't being
No, but they're just like, they'll come up to you and be like, oh my god, you're so beautiful.
You would never hear that in London.
Like, they'll just be like, oh, like, can I chat to you? Like,
you got
Yeah, no, the guys that you don't like probably say things like that to you and you're not interested. It's probably the guys that you really want them to say that to you are not saying it to you. So now you're acting like, guys don't say that we're beautiful. No, there's guys that probably tell you that you're beautiful, but you probably don't like those guys.
Nah, let me get your Instagram.
They would never be like, they never approach you properly.
Gotcha. Okay. What are y'all doing later today? Y'all going out?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Where y'all going?
Exchange.
Exchange. I'm guessing you guys got invited there.
Yeah.
Why is that not
Doesn't
the
it last
event?
good place?
No, that's what they normally do out here.
Where's the place to be?
I'm not really a club guy, as you can see. I'm like into fitness, so I don't really go out. Anyway, I gotta get going.
Yes.
It was nice talking to y'all.
Nice talking to you as well.
What is y'all Instagrams? Okay. was nice talking to you.
Same to you.
In my critique, I think that he asks a lot of questions in an interrogation type manner. As I said, he could work for the CIA, or but yeah, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but I just feel like that approach or that method wouldn't be that successful if you're trying to, like, you know, move to women that are probably actually bad bees. I think the ones that were engaging in those conversations weren't all that, I'll be honest. And then the two black girls from the UK, they're literally just on holiday, so they're probably just on a hype, ready to talk to any American guy that comes up to them. Anyway, with that being said, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Make sure you leave a like under this video. Let me know, do you agree with me or do you disagree? I understand, you know, he's gonna have a lot of fans and all of that, and again, this is not even a hate video. This is just calling it how I see it, just the same way he calls it how he sees it when he has guys and he critiques them. I'm critiquing what he does, because really and truly, I feel like this, I'll be real, I think that if me and him was out there approaching women, I think that I'd probably be more successful for different reasons. But anyway, with that being said, you lot like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And anyway, I'm out of here. Peace.